So let's talk about requirements. This is a bit of an amorphous term because it applies to so much in what we do, and sometimes we can lose track of the definition. Now, the best definition I found is actually a quote of a broader concept. It's defined as, quote, any necessary and sometimes desired capability, function, attribute, characteristic, or quality of a system for it to have value and utility to a customer, organization, user, or stakeholder. The key action words are value and utility. It has to be useful and it has to be beneficial. The definition also uses some words that require some additional clarification. Capability, what the product must be able to do. Function, defined as what the product does with what it has. The attribute are the qualifiers, options, settings. Characteristics are the distinguishing features, and quality is that degree of excellence. So why should you care about documenting requirements? Well, defining requirement and design inputs are a critical part of the entire development process, and one that is frequently done poorly or is incomplete. In fact, in the last 2 years alone, over 30% of recalls were because of poor design that could be traced back to the requirements generation. And the FDA estimates that over 20% of all improved medical devices since 2010 could be prevented if manufacturers had better design control practices. The impact of a poorly prepared requirements document could range from delayed schedules, increased development costs, not getting to market, not passing clinical trials, getting to market but not having a product anyone wants or can use, or worse, recalls and patients' death. All this could be mitigated with proper requirements. More importantly, requirements are communicative tools. They're similar to goals. If you keep them to yourself and you never tell anyone, never write them down, never review them, it's likely you will not adhere to or even accomplish your goals. Requirements communicate your intent. The clearer and more complete your requirements, the easier it is to communicate what your product does and how it will succeed. Requirements communicate your vision. Requirements define expectations and are the guiding light so others can see what you are wanting, what is necessary, what is clear to move forward and make the right decisions. And requirements are powerful. They aim to support a diverse group to improve the quality of the product and ensure that more people are excited about what you've made when they can purchase it.